Hi, it's Marco, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off incognito mode on YouTube. So before I start with this video, please subscribe to my channel, it'll help me a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up the YouTube app. Once you have opened up your YouTube app, click on the bottom right on New, and then you see turn on incognito. Now that it means I've gone incognito and all of the videos that I will see won't be saved here. If you want to go back, click on the bottom right on New and then click on turn off incognito, and then now it is turned off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you still need help, let me know what is the problem and I'll do my best to help you.